This tutorial will teach you how to make an elastic bunny ear headband that ties on the top to create a little rabbit ear effect. I've included the free pattern if you follow the link in the description below that you can download and then follow along with the step-by-step instructions. The first step is to apply some interfacing to 2 of the bunny ears. Then you want to sew the bunny ear pairs together with right sides together. Before sewing, fold over the seam allowance at the ends of the ears. Then you want to turn the ears to the right side. Be sure to clip the curves before turning so that it will be nice and neat. Now you want to get the elastic casing ready. Fold the casing in half with right sides together and sew along the length. Then you want to turn the casing to the right side. You'll probably want to trim the seam allowance and then use a loop turner to help you get the fabric turned. Now you want to get your little piece of elastic and insert it into the casing. An 8-inch piece of elastic should be good for this. Use safety pins to help you get your elastic through the casing. Then you want to sew the elastic to both ends. Now you want to insert your elastic piece into both sides of the bunny ears. And then top stitch it inside of the bunny ear headband pieces. Now all you have to do is tie the bunny ears together to complete the headband.